Hello, Steve, Canadian Sasquatch, coming at you with a woodworking little props to a company out there. So I was working on my planters. You may have, I don't know if I've mentioned those at all on my channel or shown them, but was working on them, and I was using a router bit to make some mortises, and the router bit snapped on the shaft. So I did a shout out to the company, Diablo Tools, or also known as Freud, however you say it. Shout out to them on Twitter with a picture of what it looked like. You can see that right there. And then that started off some conversations with a variety of different people in the company. And so let me cut to video of what it actually looked like right here. So this is the Diablo Freud router bit, and as you can see, it did quite candidly snap off. And all I was doing is making those holes. Of course, I used a different router bit to complete it, so there it is. And now let us do an unboxing because they sent me something back. So let's see what we got. So it's a nice big box from Freud. Huge box. Look at all this stuff. All this big bubble wrap. All this big bubble wrap for just a little tiny router bit. That's pretty crazy. But hey, they sent me a new one. Took a while because originally the various people that look after that were on vacation, so went through that, and then went through just kind of conversing back and forth, and them trying to find out what I was doing and trying to figure out why it snapped. And so but yeah, so it's a what is it? It is a 1/4 inch shank, 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch long, 1/2 inch in diameter straight bit. So yeah, huge shout out to Diablo Tools, aka Freud. I think I'm saying that's right. Fraud. Definitely not fraud, but huge shout out to those guys because they stand behind their product and did the right thing, and with no hassle, just time delays and stuff, which happens. They got me a new one. I didn't even ask for a new one, and they did. So thank you very much, guys, and go buy Diablo or Freud router bits because it's a good company. They stand behind their stuff. Cheers, everybody.